Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing any water and heating the pan so food doesn't hit cold metal. Once the pan is warm, about 2-3 minutes over medium, add 1-2 teaspoons of oil and tilt to coat. Make sure the oil shimmers but does not smoke. That sheen signals the metal and oil are bonding. You'll know it's ready when a drop of water skitters and evaporates quickly. This initial step creates a thin barrier that prevents immediate adhesion. Once the oil is shimmering, dry and season your food so moisture won't force sticking. You should place pieces gently and leave enough space so heat circulates. Overcrowding drops surface temperature and promotes adhesion. Make sure to hear a steady sizzle. If it's too calm, raise the heat slightly, and if it smokes heavily, lower it. Let the food develop a natural crust before moving. This crust releases when properly seared. You'll flip only after that crust forms. You finish by watching for that natural release. When food lifts easily, flip with a thin spatula. Once cooked, transfer to a plate and let it rest for 1-3 minutes so juices settle and texture improves. If something sticks, do not force it. Lower the heat, add a splash of water or stock to loosen the bond, and gently scrape with a spatula. This quick deglaze both rescues the food and creates flavor for a pan sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.